How to buy bonds on JPMorgan Chase. The process of buying bonds through JPMorgan Chase or any other financial institution may involve several steps. If you don't have an account with JPMorgan Chase, you will need to open a brokerage account. This can often be done online through their official website or by contacting their customer service. Once your account is open, you will need to deposit funds into it. Before making any investment, it's crucial to search and understand the different types of bonds available. Navigate to the trading platform. Look for the section dedicated to fixed income services or bonds. Place an order. Before finalizing your purchase, review your order to ensure all details are accurate. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.